Now, it's about what you'll be achieving. It's not about just hitting the record button. It's about capturing the moments that speak volumes. So you'll learn the ins and outs of framing, lighting, and sound to make every shot count. Next, we dive into editing video. This is where your stories will be coming to life. With simple but powerful editing techniques, we'll be turning raw footage into compelling narratives that actually tell a story, convey what you're trying to convey. And yes, my goal is to keep it super straightforward, focusing on the apps that make editing not just effective, but easy and enjoyable. And we're not stopping there. We're going to be jumping into video quality, always making sure you have the best way to assess your work, embrace feedback, and also fuel your growth. Because remember, every great creator started somewhere. Personally, I sucked. And I'm still not even that great, but I can create great videos quickly and easily. Next, we're going to be talking about how to make effective videos, which I've already said like 20 times. And it's not just about what you create, it's about how it resonates with your direct audience, the people you're actually trying to get in touch with. We'll be exploring the strategies of how to engage, entertain, and educate, ensuring that all of your videos do more than just exist, they actually create an impact. Understanding who you make your videos for is going to be crucial, and I'll be explaining all of that as simply as possible. Your audience isn't just out there waiting to hear from you. So we're going to help you find your niche and speak their specific language and create content that also feels like it was made just for them. That's going to be absolutely crucial. And then we're going to go jumping into covering the basics of how to be efficient, because your time is valuable and we're not here to waste it. From pre-production to planning to post-production polish, we're going to be understanding how to streamline your process without sacrificing the quality. And those that are ready to take it a little bit further, I'm also going to teach you guys some semi-pro options, similar to this cool mic I have here, and what you could buy equipment-wise, editing-wise, to take it to the next level. Remember, this journey isn't just about shooting and editing videos. It's about finding your voice, sharing your vision, and connecting with the world in the most authentic way possible. Every single lesson, every single exercise is a step towards becoming the videographer, the video maker, or just the lazy business owner who wants to do it themselves and crushing it in your own way. Let's talk soon.